Okay, I really know about the vending machines in the laundromat because this is important to know about the vending machine, that it was very here because it's in the laundromat and then we know how to get it. And there's my dad that he's doing something right there. And normally this is the vending machine that we are here at, and look at the dryer. Look, these are my clothes and my dad's clothes. These are something to wash it off and dry it off. It's okay. You know that it is the plan. So that's the vending machine in a moment. See that? These are vending machines that we got. So let me see if this one's right. So we'll get soda next time, but we'll see when we come back to the laundromat. And these are beautiful. So I'm gonna get 121 in a minute, all right? Now, let me see if this one's raw. Let me see if this one's this. Yep. $25. Now, almost there. Yep. Skit 121. Yep. These are what we got. Now that's it.